Hi, I'm Pam from Pam's So Happy and Crafty. This is my first video. I thought I would just give an intro into my little world of who I am, um, why I started doing this, what got me started doing this, um, coronavirus, um, my family. I started making masks. Um, Everybody was just buying them up like crazy. It was very hard to find. I was worried for my husband and my son because they have asthma and other underlying health problems. Um, as so do other family members. And I was thinking, what can I do? And I just started going on YouTube and just watching videos. And next you know it, my neighbors just started giving me material. I found myself buying a sewing machine. I haven't sewed in over 20 years. Um, and I'm on eBay and I'm on Amazon. And I have a mask, my very first child's mask that I made for my neighbor. And it just went on from there. I have enjoyed making the masks, and hours turned into days, days turned into weeks, weeks into months, until now. And now I'm finding myself loving what I'm doing. And it's not just about masks. It's about sewing. It's about creating. And I'm looking at all of everything that I have to work with. And I want to make more stuff. I want to create more things. And I will be giving a shout out later to all the people, the YouTubers that have inspired me. That got me started on with the masks. And the sewing channel was one of them. She was the big one that really got me into sewing. Linda, I believe her name is Linda. I want to do more, and I want to start creating my own things and start making my own ideas into reality. And I want to share, because I love to share. I have a love for giraffes. Anybody who's out there, April the giraffe. I am a mom of two. I have 3 grandchildren. They're all adults. I'm very proud of them. I have a yellow lab. Her name is Ruby Rose. And I love life. I'm happy. And I have my days where I'm not. And I have this nice, happy space that I can just get away and just create. And I know a lot of you out there do the same thing. And I think this is why I started doing this channel. Is I can relate to a lot of you out there who do the same thing. You delve a little bit into your personal life along with the love of your craft, which is what I want to do and I'm going to do. I love cardinals. I love birds, which is what has brought me to my sign. And sewing makes me happy. Creating things, making things make me happy. Baking for the family and friends. I'm told I make a very good cheesecake. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that. I don't know. I might if I get brave enough. But just wanted to give you a little insight to who I am and my personality. And I hope I get enough faith in myself to go live and do more videos that way. But until then, you all have a great evening. Bye.